The social proof of your brand is a powerful tool of conforming to your audience, the credibility of the product or service they are offered. Coming up with brand ambassadors for your business is an incredible way of showing social proof of your brand. Brand ambassadors will praise your brand on their Instagram pages with the intention of marketing your brand to their friends. This will definitely promote your brand equity amongst the second-level audience of your brand ambassadors. There are a number of ways that you can implement to transform your regular customer into brand ambassadors. For example, you can make an attempt to encouraging your local consumers to take and post images of themselves, making use of your products. They can also be encouraged to take photos visiting your product outlets. When they post their images on their Instagram page, their followers are more likely to develop interest on the brand and the products on offer. This initiative thus play a vital role on promoting your business on Instagram. This is not one worrying platform, a problem that comes with creating brand ambassadors and giving them the freedom to promote your brand on your behalf. Since they are merely customers and have absolutely no shares in your business, there's this little surety that these ambassadors will always have the interest of your business at heart. They might gain the trust of your other followers on Instagram and use it against you in future. Despite the challenge, brand ambassadors can be influential when it comes to promoting your brand on Instagram because of the social proof that comes with their engagement in your brand promotion.